शो के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे? प्लीज हैव अ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर हर। यंग टैलेंट्स को अप्रिशिएट करते हैं।
You're doing the interview.
Yeah, please, yeah.
Well, to be honest, क्योंकि हमें बोला गया था student designers हैं, so we thought it will be done by in an amateurish way. But I must say, I was really pleasantly surprised कि बहुत ही प्रोफेशनल तरीके से किया गया है. डिज़ाइन भी बहुत खूबसूरत थे और मुझे लगता है कोई भी कमी नहीं थी in terms of presentation, styling and all of it. It was wonderful, very good experience. Thank you.
I think it was brilliantly done. बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम रहा and especially all the students from Avasa have done such a great job that I think they've already marked their road to success. So all the best to them.
अगर स्टाइल की बात करें तो आप दोनों की स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट क्या है कि कौन से स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट को फॉलो करते हैं आप?
And what is your success mantra, ma'am?
I think what's most important is being comfortable in whatever you wear. Because it should reflect your personality, and if you're uncomfortable, then it's going to show somewhere. So if you're comfortable and you're confident, that's what really matters.
हाँ, मुझे ये डेफिनेटली लगता है पहली बात कि आपको ओकेजन के हिसाब से ड्रेस होना आता है और जैसे भाग्यश्री ने बोला जो आपको सूट करता है जिसमें आप कंफर्टेबल हैं दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ब्लाइंडली ये फॉलो करना कि स्टेज पे जो अच्छा लग रहा है मैं वही पहन लूँ. समटाइम यू कैन लुक रियली फनी एंड रिडिकुलस. सो आई थिंक वेयरिंग व्हाट इज़ बॉडी कंफर्टेबल फॉर यू and which goes with the occasion is the most important thing.
Okay, the last one, what's happening on professional front, ma'am? What's there in the pipeline?
What's there in the pipeline? Lots of wishes, lots of hopes, and let's see what comes to reality. Bye.
Thank you. You know, being a journalist, we cover each and everything which is related to fashion. Be little closer now. We cover each and everything which is related to fashion. Even Lakme Fashion Week, which we normally cover, you know. Even we are quite surprised to see the students, especially Savita Bhatia, who gave that, you know, that Sufi line, you know. It is so amazing. Tell us, you know, what's that mantra, you know, that students do such a wonderful job, you know.
So I would like to say that fashion is not what we wear, fashion is who we are, and it totally displays the attitude in terms of Sufi, in terms of every collection which the students have displayed. And I would like to end with a very famous quote by Coco Chanel that in order to be irreplaceable, you have to be different. And every collection here was so unique and so different. Suvida, I would really like to pay my gratitude to her. Wonderful job, Suvida, and I'm really humbled to be a part of this team. Thank you.
Rather,
you know, whole experience, even Poonam and Bhagyashri, we have seen them. We have met just right now before we had taken your mind. Even they enjoyed and they were surprised to see the students.
Basically, what happens, you know, it's students, you know, who are really want to do something in their life. They are so dedicated. I'm very fortunate. My students are so dedicated. They are giving their not 100%. They are giving their 200% to us, and the results are in front of you.
Okay, there are chances you can see one of the student designing for some big shot celebrity, or might be doing a Lakme Fashion Week.
Yeah. Maybe this year, coming year, our students will be in Lakme Fashion Week. I can assure you this.
For sure, I believe each and every student here has a talent, and I believe all of us have witnessed this, and we would like to wish the students a very best.
The last one, you know, what success mantra do you want to give them?
Work hard, be different,
And give it your all, give it your 100%.
Thank you, Suvita.
Thank you.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.